Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer your iPhone's data especially into an external USB drive or pen drive. So you guys can see here this is my external SSD or hard drive, and I'm going to transfer my photos videos from iPhone 16 to this hard drive because it's 128 gigs and it's almost occupied. So how I can do that, just let me first connect my SSD with my iPhone with this cable. It's the type C to type C cable here, and my SSD also supports type C connector, right? So I'll just show you how you can do that. So first of all guys, just connect your SSD with your iPhone, and how you can check either your SSD is connected or not, you can check in the files app here. So you guys can see here, you will see this kind of a drive over there. My SSD's name is YT content over here, right? So you can check in the files app. So whenever you're going to transfer your photos videos, so you have to click on photos and hit on select the photos which you want to transfer. So I would say I will transfer this photo. So I'm just showing you an example. So click on share icon, and you will see you save to files app here, right? Click on this one, and here you will see your drive is here. If you are unable to check your drive, make sure you just tap on the browse section here, and you will see YT content or your SSDs or pen drives name. So hit on save and you are good to go. Now you can check in the files app your drive have the photo you just transferred. So that's the really simple fix. So the thing is, if you don't have any external SSD and you have USB drive, you need OTG connector. So let me show you how the OTG connector looks and what you need. You can order it from Amazon if you don't have that. So here is the kind of a OTG connector. I have this from Pixels box, Google Pixels box. So here it have the USB type A, and it have USB type C face over there, which will connect in my iPhone, and I can insert a USB drive in my iPhone using this OTG connector. So that's the really simple fix. This is the whole way how you can transfer your photos videos from iPhone to a USB drive. I hope you guys find this method helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much guys. Peace.